안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make braised kimchi, kimchi jjim. There are many dishes using kimchi in Korean cuisine. Kimchi is a very unique and traditional condiment of Korean food. Kimchi jjim is one of them and people love it. Especially I love the moment when I rip up the kimchi and pork. It's very soft and melts in my mouth. When you make this kimchi jjim, you will need well-fermented kimchi. It has deeper taste than a fresh one, so it gives awesome flavor. The recipe is not difficult, but you will need 1 to 2 hours to boil and simmer the kimchi. So take your time when you cook this dish. Okay, then let's set the table. First, slice the onion and chop the green onion. And prepare the pork big bite size like this. It tastes better when it has fat, so you don't need to cut them off. And prepare the kimchi. My kimchi has been fermented for 1 to 2 months in a refrigerator. It gives deep and sour smell. Perfect. When you make kimchi jjim, I recommend you not to cut the kimchi in small pieces. It looks more tempting when it's served as a whole thing, and it will give a better texture. So cut the kimchi in lengthwise, leaving the stem. Put kimchi at the bottom of the pot and put pork on it. And put onion and green onion on top. After that, pour the water in a pot. And add sugar, soup soy sauce, soybean paste, and red pepper powder. Bring to boil over high heat and let the sauces mix well with water. Once it boils, reduce the heat to medium heat and boil down for an hour to an hour and a half. Close the lid and check if there is not enough water from time to time. When the kimchi and pork soften, taste it and season with the soup soy sauce and vinegar if necessary. Mine is perfect. Okay, let's wait for 30 minutes more. During the time, prepare the cooked rice. Ta-da! It's done! Smells so good! Transfer to a plate and serve with rice. Okay, before I eat, I want to show you how soft it is. Yep. Okay, I'm ready. First, kimchi. Ooh. Yes, it's very soft. And the next is pork. Okay, let me taste. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use chopstick. A spoonful of rice and kimchi. It's so good. The texture is amazing. It's melting in my mouth and it's very juicy. Okay, then let's wrap the pork in kimchi. Roll it like this. Perfect. Everything is very juicy and soft. And the spicy taste from the kimchi and the deep and savory taste from the pork meet together. It's amazing. I've ever made a kimchi jjim with small piece of pork, but I think a big piece has much better texture. Somehow it gives some happiness when I eat in a big mouthful like this. Today I made a kimchi jjim. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.